this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off your iPhone SE, and this is very easy to do. So if you look at the left side here, you can see the volume up, the volume down, and then the power button. So let's hold down the volume up and the power button at the same time. And after 2 seconds, we're going to be brought to this screen where we can slide to power off. You can see this screen goes dim. Just go ahead and just hold that down and your phone will turn off. Now to restart your phone, press the volume up, down, and then hold down the power button for like 10 seconds. So up, down, power button, hold this down, and you'll see the same option here, but continue to hold it down right here, and your phone is going to go ahead and manually restart. So if your screen is frozen or stuck or anything like that, this is a good way to just restart your phone. So you should see the Apple logo now, and the phone is restarting, and it will boot back on. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.